So maybe I don't have the time to tell you the story, but you know, the instance, imagine mentoring someone.
Individuals with clarity and confidence.
Take notes.
A warm round of applause for our first speaker, Miss Tony Miranda.
Thank you so much. Good morning, everyone. Let's talk about legacy. Okay, so I have created, and do you know that legacy is not just about the future? Legacy is the impact you create now for you, okay? And what is the merciful kayo, di ba? I stand strong, I'm smart, and I'm vacation. I was speaking piano. We're not a star. Do you still hear that? I've been teaching this. Natuwa lang ako. The acquired identity are those passed on to you. So somehow you thought that's already your identity. Hindi pa di magkamali. Or you are a family of strong. Then not value. Palabasin muna natin to, okay? Gusto ko yung stand strong naman. Yan. Okay. Ito na to, makinig na tayo. Yeah. Okay. Then ayusin ulit yung ating dagat. Bloom where I am planted. So, I have power. Yes, you have power. Understand that you have a purpose. Okay. Remove all the labels you see. Yeah. Don't get nervous. Okay. Because I go, Lord, I have the power to do what I know, what I can do. Side, kulot open, kulot open. This proof to you statement. Sayang, no? That I cannot undo my past. That will somehow fulfill our legacy. Are we good? You just try to do this sa friend mo. Maghilaan na kayo. Sabihin mo, I will inspire you. Go! Inspire you! When you have challenges, let's see. See? So don't hide into yourself when you need help. Another one. Okay. Remember that you did not give up, not because you can on your own flesh, because you know that God will sustain you because you are young. But set an example for the believers in speech, in conduct, in love, in faith, and in purity. 1 Timothy 4:12.
What is your mindset?
You will always have failures, and doubt is part of every time you succeed one hurdle or barrier. Tell someone. You don't know how much that sharing will empower another person. All right?
Understanding your experiences, both chosen and unchosen, help you build a stronger foundation for success.
Something that you wish someone told you when you were younger.
I wish when I was younger, I was made to understand that Jesus died for me. You need to inspire, influence, and create a positive impact to have that powerful legacy. Thank you so much for having me.
So once again, let's give a round of applause to Miss Tony Miranda.
That legacy is not just about what you leave behind, it's about the impact you create now. It begins with knowing your identity and
Mundong to, dapat hindi ka nawawala and alamin mo kung ano yung purpose mo kasi it starts within
that yung core pillar is very important for us. And also, we have to tell ourselves palagi na you are worth it, you are
Shaped by our identity, acquired traits, chosen actions, and uncontrollable experiences.
Ayun na, isa mga impact na words na nabanggit mo kanina ay totoo na malaki ang impact ng mga kabataan sa lipunan natin, sa kasalukuyan.
So paglakad ko, alam mo kung may hawak siyang power, parang kung sabi ng mga empowering words. Most impactful lessons that I have learned with this talk is puti
first?
Well, as a student leader myself, parang na-engage po ako the way she talks about kasi she
What's that? Diba the lamp of in your ear? The wine. Sobrang religious. Thank you, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much po.